Tripurani laibumani JD Mandal, the Agony of Tripura webpage, rule of King of Manikya Dynasty in Tripura, tatal awai, swithani Tripurani laibumani tatal ko awai khwlaikha. Eba hani mano khorok sara charchi brwi bubagrarogno norwi bengali dophano Tripura hani bubagrarogno tatal laibumani swikha tei 550 BC sekang Tripura dophano ha grade no krishnamai mani phane hwnwi swikha. Awai tatal laibumani Tripura Universityni Director of Research Education and Political Science 3rd semester ni 905 Bijabo sejakha JD Mandalni swimunga tuichawai. Abo haikena parol podcast ni bo TCS TPS Power guide munga kase Bijabo sekari phika. JD Mandal sabo bini yakte Tripura hani laibumani tatal sejakha sumung tuichawai khorang tuichalakya jora thugino thana chal kologromoi. Abono sajawai no khorang tuichaka Shillong Unitni TSF Tripura motha JD Mandalni swimunga Tripura Universityni Bijap sejakha TPS Bijabo sejakha hani bai JD Mandalni swimungrogno soklaiwi sejamang phunukhlaikha tini o sejamang phunuk tini o mothani adongrok saka.
And at the end, I request this writer, before it turns into a bigger picture, to apologize of what he wrote, and if not, we'll go for big agitation. Thank you. The writer, that is Mandal, who wrote that is 550 years ago, this hilly Tripura was ruled by Hindu Bengali kings of Bengal, and we condemn totally this word and what he wrote, and we won't let in the coming future any invaders or give them entry to alter our history and culture, and we totally condemn this writer. And on behalf of TSF Shillong unit, we condemn this writer not only as a TSF Shillong unit but whole Tripura, and at the end we call him a fool. And I would also like to thank brother David Murasing for joining us here, and our members here, all Shillong TSF unit. Thank you.
Aro manjaka TSF ni Biwas de Burma tei Tripura mothani David Murasing kari bubun adongro.